Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and today is 2022 6th of December, right? Tuesday, yes, right. Okay, so today, quickly, let me jump into my MT4. Hi guys, hi. Thank you, Hubert. Right, so over here, yeah, let's take a look. Aussie CAD. What do we have for Aussie CAD today? Well, Aussie CAD, we are still in the bull, so currently we are still moving towards the north, and tentatively, buyers, you can take note, but for seller, we have to stay away. Right, for Aussie franc, well, let's see Aussie franc. Today, Aussie franc is also still in this turbulence area, so tentatively, okay, I'm going to stay away with this, okay. So let's see, how about Aussie yen, right? Aussie yen, yeah, Aussie yen, we have actually moving as like a bull, but actually transiting bear. So yesterday, okay, for the past 2 days, I think last week was good, selling down, but yesterday had to set up to get a bull up there to test the resistance. Today, it has tested the resistance up here. Will it have a chance to sell? Perhaps on the second half of the day, maybe we can take a look, right? So tentatively, I will leave this out first, and let's wait for the next H4 to open to see if there's a chance for selling. Okay, so yeah, I can let's see. Okay, we are in the bear, correct? We are in the bear. So tentatively, okay, I'm going to put this Aussie yen in watch list. All right, yep. Okay, so next to go, Aussie Kiwi. Well, for Aussie Kiwi, we are in the bear, and today we are experiencing some retracement. Okay, so today is a retracement day for the Aussie Kiwi, so I'm going to leave it out first. All right. Okay, next to go for Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Well, Aussie dollar over here, we are moving towards the bull, correct? But the bull has actually down and started to retrace downward yesterday. So after retracing down yesterday, okay, then looks like today we are also still being supported to continue the bull. Well, over here we can see the support is here. They barely tested this support here, this area. Okay, so currently I will say that there will be a chance that to retest the support to become a bull. Alright, so but the thing is that today we are still over at this point here to wait for a new cycle to see if there's a chance for a retesting, then we will go for a selling. Alright, so because over here we still have a very good space of 40 pips there. So currently by looking at this here, okay, we have about a resistance at this level. So tentatively, let's wait for this to happen before we take action. Okay, Right, hi Marcus, nice to see you here. So Aussie dollar, okay, we can take a look about because right now we are in the bull, okay, and the bull is actually retracing upwards, meet up with the resistance. So to come down to look for the support before it actually go up for a buy, alright. So let's see if this is going to work, alright, and I'm not going to put this into my watch list because it's going for buying. So buyers can take note, but seller will have to stay away, alright. Okay, so tentatively, by looking at this, okay, Euro Aussie over here. Euro Aussie, we have coming in and hover around into this area and we're consolidating for quite a while over here. So at this point here, alright, let's monitor this Euro Aussie first because Euro Aussie has tested on support area here. So at this point here, okay, we are not going to buy, alright, but instead of buying, we can look out for selling because it's actually in consolidation area. So in this case, okay, right now we are in the now coming after meeting of the resistance, started to stop off, and now I'm looking out for another round of a structure to form a bear so that I can start selling. Okay, so for Euro Aussie, yes, we can pay attention to that today, right? Euro Aussie, yep, and next to go, yep, for Euro CAD. What about Euro CAD? Euro CAD over here. Well, for Euro CAD over here, tentatively by looking at it, it is a bull. The bull is still running very bullish. Okay, so tentatively, let's shift this resistance level up in level. Okay, so yeah, there's a gap here to fill up. So tentatively, by looking at this, Euro CAD should be still on the buying side. Okay, so let's move into the Euro Yen. Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen, we are actually looking at a form of selling pattern over here. And if we are looking at the general trend over here, we are still in the bull, am I right? Respecting the moving support over here, and now waiting for a resistance to sell it down once again to form a lower low. So tentatively, by looking at this level here, okay, now let's move down and look out for my resistance. Okay, so over at this point here, looks like it's coming into the point. Resistance is still quite high up there. So let's wait for this to meet up with the resistance. Then later on, we have a chance for selling. Right. So currently, okay, it looks like now we are still waiting for a resistance to come. So be patient to wait for the resistance to come first. Okay, Euro Yen, on that. Okay. Yep. And next to go, Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi over here, let's look at the trend. Well, Euro Kiwi, we are in a bear trend. It's very obvious. Okay, after that, okay, after this bullish run, it started to form a lower low. Now it's coming for a bear trend. So this bear trend is actually coming into state thereby now it's actually going to start selling. Well, Euro Kiwi is already in the bear. So it's correct that it should start selling when it meet up with a resistance. Okay, so it has tested the resistance over here, but there may be a chance that it will continue to test on the resistance before it actually comes down. So Euro Kiwi may be a long wait, but we still have chance for that. Okay, so I'm going to put this into watch list. Right, Euro Dollar. What about Euro Dollar? Well, Euro Dollar now currently we have meet up with my targeted resistance over at this point here. So tentatively, it looks like it's going to retrace downward in the bull. It's retracing downward. So it's looking out for a support. So meanwhile, by understanding that it's looking out for a support, let's identify where is the support. The support is still here. We still have about another 48 pips to go. Alright, 48 pips to go. So at this moment, okay, will that actually come to a point where it will start to bring down? Then we will need to look for a new cycle of selling like this. Right, so Euro Dollar now currently looking at this is actually looking good to sell. Alright, so Euro Dollar, I'm going to put this into my watch. Okay, yep, another one. Let's go with Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. Yep, Pound Aussie. Right. Well, Pound Aussie over here, tentatively is still in the bull, still building up the buying. However, today it seems like it's also looking out for a support because there are not enough strength to continue. So let's see, the resistance is up there. Okay. And the support is here. Right. Let's look out for this support here. We have one more support here, which is actually very near. Okay, we have one support over here. This is a concrete support over here. So over here is a higher lows, okay, a higher lows area, okay. So this one, okay, may hit here and continue to buy. But if this breaks in and now it may have a good chance to come down over here, we can see that's about a 69 pips to go. Well, that looks good. Okay, so for pound Aussie, okay, let's wait for this to break area, and we will go for a selling. These are the key areas that I'm talking about. All right. Okay, so for that is for pound Aussie. Okay. Right. So let's again to pound cat. Well, pound cat over here. And for pound cat today, looking at this, we are actually now in the bull. The bull is still running very bullish. So breaking through the resistance, so allow it to go further up. Okay. Well, then I think for this pound cat, we should skip for a while. Okay. Let's see for pound franc. Pound franc over here. Well, pound franc. Looking at pound franc over here, we are actually bull. The bull has made up with a resistance here. So yesterday we have made up with a resistance. Today will there be a chance to look out for a selling? So there's a support here, and pound franc has been testing on this support without breaking. So now let's wait for it to test on the resistance before we start selling. Or buyers can take note whereby now it's setting up a buying, then you can go for a buy. But look out for the resistance here, which you have about another 48 pips. Alright. Okay, so for pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. Well, pound yen today, okay, looking at this pound yen in general, okay, it is now moving up and up. It's being disturbed, but it's still creating a bull. So for pound yen, it's still going for a bull right now. So buying is still possible. Let's see if there is any resistance up there. The resistance here has been tested once. And over here, okay, and over here, it has been tested. So it looks like it's going to look out for another support before it starts to go for a buy. So in this case over here, alright, probably we may be looking out for some selling, but the support is actually pretty near. Okay, over here, okay, there's one. Okay, over here, there's one, two. Okay, over here. Right, so looking at this, the support over here is about 49 pips away. Now 49 pips away, but then again, is that will there be a good chance for selling? Then we have to look out for the opportunity in there later on when the pound market open. Alright. Okay, so for pound yen, okay, so let's see, okay, if there's a chance for selling down. Not if not, then we have to wait for it to test on the resistance, then we have to start. Okay, all right, so for pound yen, probably we can take a look later on, okay, into this selling area, okay, for this selling to actually take an opportunity or is looking out for support, then we will actually go for our selling. Okay, all right, so yeah, pound yen, I'm gonna go for watch this. Okay, so pound kiwi, right, pound kiwi. So pound kiwi today, okay, we're actually looking out for a bear, but it's very flat down here. So tentatively, it's some consolidation over here. So it looks like this is a point whereby it's accumulation here. So I think the trend seems like it's end very soon. For the selling trend, we do not know right now. Okay, so let's skip this and wait for the better and clearer picture before we take action. Okay. Alright, so for pound dollar, let's take a look at pound dollar. Well, for pound dollar today, it has met up with this resistance level and started to swing down. Yesterday, we are talking about this area here. So yesterday, it started to swing down and very near into here, my targeted area. Alright, so today, will there be any chance that it will start to swing for another selling opportunity? Looks like there is a chance because now it's actually building up the structure of a bear. So currently, okay, let's see if this is going to work out. Okay, with because over here the bear is actually the structure of the bear is actually building up. So let's see if this is going to continue to build. I think that will be good. Then after that, we will see how it goes. Then later we will see whether we have a good chance for selling. Okay, all right. So let's take this as let's take this part here. Okay, if we are going to sell off, I think we have to break this area, right? So this area of support over here, okay, we have a support level here. Then let's see over at this point we are looking at this level. Support area is here, resistance level is here. Okay, so let's see if this pound dollar is going to break below. Okay, after that it breaks below, close below, okay, this support area here, then we will have a good chance to go down for this area about 21 pips. Okay, we still have a 21 pips to go. All right. Okay, so let's wait at pound dollar. Okay, so as for pound dollar over here, well, looks like there's one resistance level also. Okay, one resistance level actually very near. We can wait for this level about 15 pips away. Okay, so we can also wait for this level to have comes in. Then later on we can start to sell down also. Okay, if the resistance able to hold, then we can continue down. Okay, yeah. So pound dollar, yep, we can take a look at this because our pound dollar is still support. So I'm still very keen on pound dollar. All right. Okay. So how about dollar CAD? Dollar CAD. Well, let's take a look at dollar CAD. Dollar CAD tentatively it looks like full, so buyer can take note, but seller has to stay away for a while. Okay. So for dollar franc. Okay, dollar franc now tentatively is moving towards now it's hitting on the support, and currently by looking at the general trend over here, it should be running in the bear. The bear continue to for lower low, looks like there will be a chance maybe second half of the day or tomorrow. So tentatively I'm going to leave this out first. Okay. For dollar yen, well, very clear that we are in the bear right now. Okay, so the bear is actually looking out for a resistance. So buyers, for the moment, okay, for this moment here, you can look out for buying, but look out for the resistance. After that, the buying for the dollar yen reaches here, we still have about 80 pips to go. So if there's a chance to hit up with this resistance, then you will have a chance for selling. Alright, so let's leave this dollar yen out as well because it's going for a buying. So tentatively it's actually looking out for support to go for a buy. Alright, so yeah, let's leave this out first and let's see. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I guess that should be all for now. Alright, the rest we will talk about it during my live session. Okay, so guys, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, and also punch in the like button for this video to show your appreciation for the effort behind the video. Alright guys, thank you so much, and let's see what do we have here and what we are going to focus today. Right, today, okay, these are the currency pairs that I'm looking out for selling. Alright, but of course things may change along the way, so we will need to update it again in my live session in London session here. Okay, so you can take a look whether is there any changes. Alright. Okay, so yep, I will be coming in another 1.5 hours to go for a live trading. So guys, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel over here, and then these are the currency pairs that I'm going to start selling. Alright. Okay, so this is everything from ACS Learning Hub. See you later on. So much. See you.